uh, be- uh, by being frank about it, are you behind the impeachment case against Lenny? Do you have
Never.
something to do about it?
Never did anything, and I will not do anything about it. Magtanong na kayo, siging patanungan ninyo. I never lifted a finger against anybody. Tapos na ako dyan. I'm beyond politics. I am not, gana na sapatos mo, Adra. I am beyond politics. I do not want to tinker with it. I just want to focus on my job as which you have given me, and may I reiterate that I will comply with my promises, the basic things, like for example, corruption, drugs, and criminality. I will deliver on my promises. Listen to me, even if it would cost me my life, my honor, and the presidency. Kaya kong bitawan lahat yan, pawala sa akin. But I will comply with my promise. The drive against corruption, the drive against criminality and drugs will resume, and it will continue, and it will be brutal if they do not understand the role of government. Suppression includes all. Kaya drop the shabu if you want to be alive. You don't want trouble with government? Stop trafficking. Yan lang. I will not be for a moment be out of focus on that. Ano yung pinangako ko? Diyan ako rise and diyan ako babagsak.
Sir,
Pende.
second question po. I hope you don't mind my asking you this.
Since when have I minded your...
Yeah. Never. Sir, tanong ko lang po, in the fight, in the war against drugs, illegal drugs, I just would like to say, we could not go on killing each other or forever, and you will not be there forever. So,
No.
would you leave us hanging ba? Ang tanong ko, is there a need to strengthen our criminal justice system parallel to your efforts in fighting illegal drugs?
Of course, we just follow the rules provided for by law, and it is found in the revised penal code. And that if you are a criminal and you are caught in the act, do not fight, because if you place the guy's life, place it in jeopardy of losing it, my order is to shoot you. I do not want to see military men and dead men on my side killed. I'd rather that the criminals, however thousands of millions they are, they should be the first to go.
Okay, sir.
Ganun lang yan. Follow the law and we're all right. Drop the shabu and nobody will die tomorrow.
Strengthening the...
But I will not be intimidated and I shall not be stopped by just International Criminal Court. Impeachment. That's if that is part of my destiny, it is my destiny to go. Ganun lang yan. Palad-palad lang.
Yes, sir.
Maybe God gave me only 2 years, 6 months, 1 year and a half to be president of this country. Fine. Basta let it not be said na hindi ko binigay ang pinangako ko.
Thank you, sir.
Ganun lang ang buhay. Bigalado. That's what life is all about. Honoring one's commitment to your fellow men.
Maayong hapon, Sir. Joy Gumatay po from PTV. Question ko lang, sir, do you think it would negatively impact yung mga planned auster moves against the top officials of the government dun sa improvement under the Duterte administration in the past months?
There will be improvement because we are really focused on it. There will be improvement in the area of law and order. Maybe not now, but later when I shall have finished them off, especially the drug lords. No, it's an apparatus. If I do not do away with the drug lords, tapos nandyan yung runners, tapos mas mahirap pa sa atin, hindi na pakialam yan.
Pero sir, sa
The law is the law. Kung mahirap ka, runner ka, madidisgrasya ka talaga pag lumaban ka. The only thing really to do is just to surrender with your hands raised up. But there will never be a time that I will condone killing with a criminal or a person arrested with outstretched arms begging for his life, or what would popularly known as extrajudicial killing.
Pero sir, itong mga impeachment plans against you...
Because the police are not allowed to follow illegal orders. Papatayin ako yung mga yan. Especially the officer. What do you think of Major General Guerrero? Maniwala kaya sa akin sa patayan mo yung mga tao na nakahiga, nakatalikod? Ako ang babarilin niya. Maybe scalawags. We do not discount the possibility of them killing each other, or scalawags in government who are into drugs and trying to silence the guys that we are dealing with. That is a possibility which I must accept. Pero kung sabihin mo itong mga graduate na, di papayag to. Masyado kayong maliit ang pagtingin ninyo mababa ang pagtingin ninyo sa mga graduate natin. They are not so paso. That is, pinupokpok na yan sa ulo nila. Day one. Sa PMA pati PNP. Do not follow illegal orders. Killing a man kneeling down or hands behind his back.
Thank you, sir.
Pero pagka lumabang ka, my God, bubusin mo yung bala mo.
Assalamualaikum, Mayor President.
Walaikum salam. May anak, pagbalik ko, magtanong ka ng marami, ha? Pang last ka.
Okay, Jun Dimakuta of DZRH sa Mindanao, Mr. President. Gaano na ba kalawak yung opensiba, yung pinsala na opensiba natin sa Abu Sayyaf, Maute, and BIFF? Sa kaso ng Abu Sayyaf, meron pa rin ba silang chance na makapaggawa ng kidnapping, sir?
Malawak po. Kaya lang we have go into selective targets. For example, if they are in the midst of populated areas, or they are near where the habitation is quite high, we just cannot do it. That is what it takes us time to do it, because we try to avoid hitting civilians. Kasi kung wala lang civilian, matagal na ito natapos. But just like the communists, every time that they are cornered, they mix with the people, and the people are the water. Kaya sabi, they are the fish in the water, because once they merge with the civilian population, barado na we'll just have to stop operation. That is one also of the things that are founded on the military and the police. Do not go into an action where you kill civilians. Same with drugs. It takes time. Puro selective. Only once they are grouped in the mountains, ready for the offensive, and that is where we also marshal our troops and our weapons to challenge them. But once the battle is over and they begin to merge and run to their habitations and houses, the offensive stops. And I will not allow civilians to be killed in the process. Ano ba naman kasalanan ng bata, pati mga babae matanda? So, it behoves upon government to just lunukin na lang nila yung sayang yung panahon na yun, because it ain't the right thing to do.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. President.
Good afternoon, Mr. President.
Ay, ma'am.
Hello,
Kumusta
sir.
ka? CNN. Si Ina, ma'am.
Sir, nasa vacation pa po. Sir,
Magtana na?
Hindi pa naman po, sir.
mm.
Sir, do you think the impeachment complaint filed against you, do you think the Vice President Leni Robredo had anything to do with that, sir?
Well, I will not be surprised if she is there, or I will not also be, I will not speculate if she is not there. Kasi hindi ako nakikialam sa buhay niya, ma'am. Sana wag niyang pakialamin yung akin. Basta sa trabaho, okay lang. Wala sa akin yung impeachment. I go by the rules of destiny. What made me, what gave me the presidency was pure destiny. If you consider all the things that And that happened along the way. And if I get impeached, or if I go to prison, as long as I have the right to select where I should be, I should rot for all time. Sa Monaco lang ako, ma'am. Basta may view lang ako doon sa beach, tapos may teleskopyo ako. Okay na ako.
Sir, the reason I ask is because she's been more vocal recently against your war on drugs, sir.
Alam mo si Lenny, with all the akala kasi niya ako yung sa nagalik, ayaw niyang maniwala, diwag. Basta kayong naniniwala lang yan. And you can ask any cabinet member and any military man for that matter and police. Ask them, was there a single call from me since I'm there sa opisina ko? Kung tumawag ba ako minsan kay Senator Soto, tumawag ba ako kay Senator Cayetano, kay General Peña, well, of course, kasi presidential advisory legal. Kung tumawag ba ako kay Secretary Piñol, tumawag ba ako kay Silvino, tanungin mo, baski sino sa gobyerno, LTO, LFTRB, tanungin mo. Kung may tinawagan ba ako ni isa. Pag mayroon kang masabi ito, talhin mo dito, sabi ko mag-resign ako. I always do it with honor. Pag sinabi kong yan, pag sinabi kong wala talaga. At pag sinabi kong gawin ko yan, umatras ka na kasi gagawin ko talaga.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, good afternoon.
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, regarding China, there are reports saying na magtatayo daw po sila ng radar station sa Panatag Shoal. Can you confirm on that, sir?
Well, we cannot stop China from doing his thing. Hindi nga na para ng Amerikano. The reason why there's a former Secretary of Justice, Foreign Affairs, which says more than just our claim of sovereignty is. So what do you want him to? What do you want me to do? What do you want, sir? Ano bang gawin ko? Declare war against China? I can, but we'll all lose our military and policemen tomorrow, and we are a destroyed nation, and we cannot assert even a single sentence of any provision that we signed. Ano bang gusto mo? Ang sinabi lang ng sinabi ko, nandoon kami ni Xi Jinping. And for the life of me, it was bilateral. Marami kami, ako, sa mga cabinet members, and I said, I will not invoke the arbitra ruling now. But there will be a time in my term when I will bring the issue back on the table on the fourth square of the arbitral ruling, and it will come when they shall start to tinker with entitlements. Tubig pa lang ngayon Ngayon kung makadaan lang man tayo doon, and I said, your ship are welcome just like Russia to come here and dock and let me see your armaments there. And Russia, sinabi ko rin, China. Last time ko sabi ko, but allow me, do not do anything to my Coast Guard kung mamasyal-masyalin sila dyan. Kasi you claim to own it, I claim it to be mine. In the meantime, just keep open at huwag mong galawin yung mga Coast Guard ko. Huwag naman yung gray ships. The gray ships are the Navy. Okay, hindi pa sila nagpadala doon. Ang nagpapadala ng gray ships, ang Amerika. Ang China hindi nagpapadala ng Navy niya. Coast Guard lang palagi. Tayo Coast Guard lang. Coast Guard does not mean war. The gray ships means you are in aggressive form. That's the norm of conduct sa nations. Di ka nagpapadala ng gray ships. Battleships, ibig kong sabihin. Navy. Hanggang Coast Guard lang tayo. Yung right of passage niya, anybody can. Ang Amerikano, araw-araw dumadaan dyan Bakit mag-discriminate ako sa China? We are not war against China. I am not war against America. And yet, Americans, ships come and go. Oh, why should I not allow the Russians? They are also my friends. China is also our friend. Now we are now improving on the economy because of the help of China. Bakit ka naman magwalang hiya? Para magdaan lang? And so what if stop there? They admit that it is the territory, within the territory of the Philippines. That does not satisfy you. Ano pag gusto, paluhurin mo yung tao? Ngayon, apaka nitpicking. Naghanap lang ng makalkal para when you run out of valid issues, yan ang ginagawa mo.
Thank you, sir.
Last question.
Call it nitpicking.
Sir, I would just like to ask about what were the things discussed during your meeting with Foreign Minister of Australia, Julie Bishop. Her visit to Davao City last Friday was earlier criticized by the Human Rights Watch in Australia.
We never discuss human rights.
Okay.
They are so courteous. Maybe, alam nila. Because if you say that, if you utter those things in my presence, you'll get an insult. So what we did was to discuss transnational crimes, terrorism. Nobody but nobody, not even the United States, ever opened up the human rights in front of me. Sabihin kita, bakit sa inyo, ikaw wala? Every nation. Australia, I will not pick a fight. So, tingnan. No, do not ever do that. Because if you can say one bad thing about me, I can say 5 things bad about you. So what's the... Bakit ka maghanap ng away? Lahat naman tayo nagkakamali. Pero hindi diyan sa human rights. I am on the right track. I would say. Ngayon, pagdatapos na ng pulis yan, yung selection nila, then they should go back and operate again because narco politics is on the rise again. But it will be under the supervision of General La Peña.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Padilla. Wala na? Sinong gustong sumama? Ako nang bahala doon sa damit ba? Maraming ano doon. Ma'am, walang siyan. Sama tayo. Ha? Dito, no kidding, hindi kita inaharas, sexual harassment. Tanungin mo yung mga babae dyan. Pag makita mo, halika, sama ka, probinsya. Sabi, hindi ba na ako nagkapagbalot? Dabaw ka na lang. Pagdating tayo doon, alas 7, bukas pa. Totoo. Yung sinasama ko yun, sabi, kapunta ka ng Davao, hindi. No, mama ka. Total, nandyan man si, parang yaya mo. Saka may mga pulis. Pagdating dito, sinasabi ko sa police woman, take over. Totoo yan. Tanungin mo yan sila. Kakalapit ng Cambodia, halika. Sinong gusto? Anybody who wants to go there, I can take care of you there. Kasama ka doon sa mga police woman.
Thank you so much, Mr. President. Thank you so much, members of the press.
Para sa pagbabago, sawa na ang bayan ko sa magnanakaw na tao. Madilim na hapon,
statement si Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte ilang taon bago ang kanyang pagtulak sa bansang Myanmar para sa kanyang official visit. Kasama pa rin ang PH delegation na kinabibilangan